Why your blonde it turned brassy and how to fit this. After you did blonde for your clients, and then when client go home, wash their hair a couple of times, and then it turned brassy. And when client call you and you say, well, your hair is too dark, so that's why it turned brassy. No. I'm going to say to you that 3 things today. So number 1, that most of hairstylists do hair in the rush, double booking. Like client book in one color and then try to book another one in between, and then you apply bleach on. After that, you set for 30 minutes and then you rinse. But did you know that when you actually set 30 minutes, it is very different with the winter time. You need to extra a few minutes. Summertime, you can be 30 minutes, but summertime, winter time, you need to extra time. So number 2, that, when client have dark hair, Asian hair, need extra time. Not 30 minutes, it will turn brassy. And Western hair, fine hair, you can leave 30 minutes. But coarse hair, you need to leave longer. So when every hair you just do 30 minutes and then you rinse, and then after that, yourself, you can see brassy, you try to mix the toner, you apply it on. And when you mix the toner, apply on, yes, it can see it cover, it can, the toner, it can take away a little bit brassiness, but after client wash, the undertone pigment, the yellow, the orange, is show up, and that's what you can see, it brassy. So number 3 thing, that when you do with blonde and you make the section it too thick, when the sectioning too thick, it make the hair not even with the bleach, so that's why it can turn easily to turn brassy. It doesn't matter what toner you use, it will brassy. So 3 things you need to remember. Number 1, don't do it in a rush. If they have thick hair, extra time. Thin hair is okay. Winter time, need extra time. Number 2, that remember, like I just say, thick hair is different and thin hair different, and also make the section it not too thick. If you follow that, you can see all client hair creamy, beautiful.